Hi guys, welcome to Gate Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. And today I am going to share with you my success story because this is the very crucial time. You have to prepare yourself very well, and I will tell you some tips, I'll give you some suggestion what you should do now. Okay, this is the very crucial and very important time for your life because 4 5 days is good time to practice all the things you have learned today. Never give up. One thing I want to tell you, never give up, because I know all the positive and negative thinkings about yourself, about myself. Okay, what is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? The reason is that I have qualified MSc degree from Calcutta University. I have done my MSc from Calcutta University, and after that I am doing MTech, two master program actually. Why I am doing that? Because it was my dream to do something from IIT. Okay, and I had given two-time GATE exam. I had given two-time GATE exam, and have like I have qualified both 2019 and 2020. In 2019, at that time, I was doing another degree program, that is B.Ed degree program, Bachelor in Education. Okay, I have done BSc, then MSc, then B.Ed. Okay, guys, just you have to score pass marks because gate score and gate card you have to earn. Okay, you have to earn it. Just you should score the pass marks. And for the humanities and social science students, the cutoff will be different for every subject. So guys, keep practicing, do your best whatever you can do. One thing you should remember, GATE is a very simple exam. I'm telling you guys, GATE is a very simple exam. You have to just qualify it. And after the entrance, when you will get your get valid card, and it will be good for you and it will be good for your future. Just qualify the exam. I'm telling you guys, just qualify the exam, and after that you can contact me. You will get many opportunity after your get result. You will get many opportunities. Okay, and you have to use that opportunity. Guys, be honest, be simple, be positive. All these things is very important during this time. Gate exam not only, like not only it is not only an exam, it's a future. Okay, it's the future. I'm telling you guys, Gate is not only an exam, it is the future. Okay, so you have to achieve that future. How you can achieve that? Because you have to do very well. You have to put more and more efforts. You have to give your best. You have to give 100%. Okay. So guys, one thing you must remember that you have to qualify. Just you have to qualify the GATE exam. After that, you will get lot of opportunities. Guys, there there are 23 IITs in our country, and you will get many opportunities. You will get many opportunities. Just you have to qualify. You have to get pass marks. So guys, you can do. Believe yourself. You can do. You can qualify. So you have to qualify that exam. You can do. Believe yourself. You can do. So guys, I think this video will be very helpful for your motivation, because I know this is the crucial time for your life. This is the crucial time for your future. You can give your best, and you have to give. You have to give your best. You have to give your best. So guys, one thing you should remember: be positive, be energetic, and give your best, because GATE exam is not only an exam, it is the future of you. You have to qualify this exam. You have to qualify this exam, and after that you will see what what you can get after the exam. So guys, all the best for your exam. Jai Hind.